Hey guys, so if you own a G-Shock Square or any G-Shock, you should probably learn how to clean it. I think you should clean it at least once every 3 months, even if you don't use it outdoors. But if you do use it in dirty situation, you should probably clean it more often. So all you need is your G-Shock Square, some Q-tips, a cotton disc, some isopropyl alcohol, and a small Phillips. Now, I wouldn't take off the bands because they are notoriously difficult to get into, but you should definitely take off the resin cover, which is done very easily just with 4 screws, 2 on each side. Okay, so let's start and remove the screws. This is the GWM5610U. So after removing the screws, it's very easy. You just try to pop the resin case over the buttons on one side and it comes out really easily. I already cleaned mine like a few days ago, so it's pretty clean, but if you've never done this before, it's gonna have all sorts of grime everywhere. Mine is wet now because I washed it with soap and water before. And you can of course also remove the bands. There can be dirt under the band here, but they are difficult to put back. If it's really dirty, you should do that. If not, just do this every 3 months and you should be fine. Do the same for the resin face. If you've never done this, it's gonna have all sorts of grime here. It's gonna be pretty disgusting. Mine was already pretty clean because I've cleaned it a few days ago, but I wanted to show you this video to show just how easy it is. And it is also necessary. There are a few spots you can't reach even with a Q-tip, so you just try to soak the tip of the toothpick with isopropyl alcohol and clean all those little holes. This one's fine, the resin case. You can also put it in some warm soapy water and take a toothbrush and clean it that way. After that, you can just wipe it dry. You can use some compressed air if you have it. If not, you can just let it air dry. And when it's completely dry, you just install the face back on it. It's really easy to do. The resin case is a little bit stiffer in the beginning, but it will soften up. And yes, it is going to become looser over time. You'll just replace it. Then take your screws, put them back in. And that's it. Okay, I hope this helped. Bye guys.